Hey, Michelle Stone at Michelle Stone Masterpieces here. How are you? I am coming to you on Thursday, May 14th, and this is my book, my 4 years worth of 365-day drawing prompts book with 5 inches by 5-inch squares. So each day I have a drawing prompt and I draw it out for you. So I'm glad that you're here with me. And so if you haven't yet, go ahead and click the button below and subscribe to my channel. And click the little bell too, so that every time I send something out that you get it. And so today is May 14th, and tomorrow I will actually stop doing these drawings for a little bit. Not sure when I'll pick it back up again, but I just wanted to let you know, because I did them during the time of the Rona, and I just thought that it was something that would give you guys something to do. So if you have some paper and some pencils or crayons or markers or whatever, or even just get your imagination, get that going, so you can do this along with me. Okay, all right, so today is Thursday, May 14th, and my drawing prompt is create a floor plan of your living or workspace. Be as detailed as you can. So floor plan means that you're looking at it from the top down. So I'm gonna go, alright, so here's my door. I'm gonna use a lighter gray. So here's my door. There we go. Alright, and then I've got this desk right here, which goes here. So that takes up about 2/3. Of my drawing right there. And then I have a desk behind you. So this, I'm gonna go over it a little, very lightly, so then that way, because it's actually white instead of gray. And then I have my computer over here to the side. And my printer is actually right here at the other end of my desk. Let's see, what color is my printer? My printer is yeah. So yeah, so do you have an office? Do you have a desk where you put all of your stuff, where you do your artwork? If so, what does it look like? I have a little stool that I sit on when I'm here, so I'm going to put my stool this way. And it's got a blue gingham, it's actually darker blue gingham top. Probably not this big, but that's alright. My drawing. And I did design it, so let me see. That has has yellow legs. There we go. Alright, so then that's the, and then my computer. Oh, and I've got a little, alright, so here I've got my lamp, my vase, and my flowers. Alright. Nope, I need a different. I like blues and greens and yellows together. So that's what can be here. And then we've got flowers. I've got a little can with markers here. and a blue bowl and a card. Let's see, and then over here on this side I've got a blue light. A couple of books. Alright, so there's that, and then my computer is here. Computer is not blue. Yeah, so what's your office look like? And then I have a separate chair over there, and I have another light over there. It's actually same kind of light here, but yeah, that house. And then I've got a little chair that Alright, and then over here behind me, directly behind me, I have a little shelving unit that has supplies in it. It's got my watercolor stuff on it, and then I've got a bunch of little, not little, I've got a bunch of mannequins up here. Doing different things in different poses. And oh, and I've got my little water thing here. There. All right. And then I actually have a whole wall full of prototypes right there, but yeah, I'm not going to do that right now. All right. That's my setup for my my studio. So there you go, you get to see it. A sneak peek. So anyway, I hope that you are having a good day and that you've drawn out your stuff too. So if you have any questions or thoughts or comments, maybe what you'd like to see me do next, as I begin to think about closing out this whole part of this whole series, if you will, then just leave me a message below and be sure to subscribe. And remember, doodle the residue of your day away. I'll see you later. Bye.